Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. To improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. You should also try to retell it and memorize it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about you and about the story too. Okay? Now, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Yesterday morning, William got up at 7 o'clock. He washed and dressed. He had his breakfast at 7:30. At 8 o'clock, he left his home to work. He started work at 9. He has lunch at noon. After lunch, he returned to his office and worked until 6 o'clock. He went home at he left home at 6:30. He got home at 8 o'clock. After that, he had his dinner. He went to bed at 11 o'clock. What about you? What time did you get up yesterday morning? Did you wash and dress? Did you go to work or school? How did you go to school or work? What time did you have lunch? What time did you have dinner? What did you do after dinner? What time did you go to bed? Now I want to ask you some question about William. What time did William get up yesterday morning? Did he eat lunch? Did he have breakfast? What did he do before breakfast? What time did he start work? Did he have lunch at noon? Did he return to work? What time did he go home? What did he do after he got home? What time did he go to bed? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you.